Hi guys, Kyle Denmark here with Denmark Lawn. We're installing some Christmas lights for a client of ours in Fort Worth, and we just want to let you know why you should choose Denmark Lawn to hang your holiday decorations. First of all, we are CLIPA certified. That is Christmas Light Installation Professional Association certification, and so we've been trained to properly install your decorations safely. Also, the products that we use are all commercial grade, so they're going to be a lot more heavy duty than the material that you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's. They're just going to hold up a lot longer, hold up to the weather, and last longer. And the third reason you should choose Denmark Lawn is because we've been in business for 13 years. So we're not going to ghost you at the end of the season and not come out to take your Christmas lights down, or not show up the following year to install them because the job was more difficult than we anticipated, or we didn't charge enough money for the job. And so you can always count on us to come and put up your decorations, take down your decorations, store them properly, and ensure that you have a good experience with our company. One thing you want to watch out for is you want to make sure that the company that you're hiring is not paying by productivity. In other words, they're not paying their employees based on how many jobs they do in a day or how much revenue they make in a day. What this is going to cause is them to take shortcuts on your install, and it's going to be a lower quality install. So you may just want to check with that with any company that you're hiring to ensure you're getting a high quality product. If you have questions about our services, feel free to reach out at 817-484-8522, or you can email us at clientcare@denmarklawn.com, or just fill out a form at denmarklawn.com. Talk to you soon. Thanks.